You guys, my name is Takisa Wilson, and in this video I will be showing you a very inexpensive gift that you can make. Most of the items come from Dollar Tree. You guys, this is an amazing seller. If you are selling gifts, or even if you just want to make something cute and unique, this is it right here. Okay, you guys, we are going to start off where we left off at. So, after you finish tying your knots in your balloon, you're simply going to position the bouquet in place, and you're going to tie it down with a 260Q, half of a 260Q balloon, and just wrap it around a few times and tie a couple of knots. Okay, now we're just going to cut off the excess balloon. All right, now we're going to rock with these balloon sticks, and we're just going to take the part out and attach it to the bottom of the balloon. Now, the balloon sticks came from Dollar Tree. Okay, so we're going to attach it with tape. And all you're going to do is take you a piece of tape and wrap it around to hold it in place. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit more tape. Okay, and just simply cut off that little piece of plastic. Okay, so now you're going to take the stick out of the balloon kit, and you're just going to measure it to size, as you can see, and just cut the stick. Okay, so you want about that like that, just like that, and just add it to the bottom of the part. Just like that. All right, now you're going to take tissue paper of your choice, and you're just going to cut rectangles, and you're going to want 5 pieces, and you're going to do them like this, and you're going to twist, boom, and you're going to do that to all 5 sheets. All right, so we're going to add a little bit of tape, and we're going to wrap them around the balloon. So I'm just going to use 2 pieces first just to secure it in place with the tape. Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of the tissue paper. And do the exact same thing. All right, so it should look like this, and you're just going to push the bottom portion of the tissue paper to the top, so it'll be super, super fluffy. Just like that. Okay, and you're just going to add the balloon to the cup and just push down the stick inside of the foam. Okay, now you're going to take your ribbon and just simply tie it around your balloon and make you a bow. Make sure it's nice and secure and snug, because you got to remember you're going to add your stuffed animal, so it's going to have a little bit of weight to it. So you want to make sure it's nice and tight. Then you're just gonna cut it and shape it just like that. Look how cute. And you're just gonna fix up your little tissue paper at the bottom. All right, so now we're gonna add our decal. The measurements for this decal is 5.3 width by 1.8 height, okay? And I used my Cricut maker. Now you can also use UV DTF wraps, or just look on Amazon, Temu, and you can find little decals to attach it to, you guys. So just in case you want another way to add some type of decal to your balloons. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add our stuffed animal. Okay, so we are going to rock with E6000 glue. Okay, and we also are going to use hot glue. So on the sides of where you put your E6000 glue, go ahead and add you some hot glue on both sides for extra security. All right, and you're just gonna push the stuffed animal against the cup and hold it down for a little while. And you're gonna do the exact same thing with the foot. Add your E6000 glue first, then go ahead and add your hot glue on the sides. Push it down and hold it for a little while. And we're going to do the same exact thing to the other foot. Okay, now we're going to use E6000 for the head. Do not use hot glue for the head portion, okay? Because it'll mess up your balloon. Okay, so I am going to use the strings from my poo bowls, the scraps from my poo bowls, and tie the head to the balloon to hold it in place. You can use any string of your choice or anything to tie and hold your balloon and your stuffed animal together. Okay, so I'm also going to do the exact same thing to the arms, hold it in place. So I'm going to tie the string around first before I add the E6000 glue, so I know how it is going to be positioned. So that looked pretty good right there. Okay, so once I get it to where I want it to be, now I'm going to add my E6000 glue. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other arm, position it in place. So let's see, how do I want that to be? Let's do a little bit higher like that. So you can see it's under both strings. Okay, now I'm going to add my E6000 glue. And I'm going to let this sit overnight to dry. And that's it, you guys. That's how you do it. We are all done. Look how cute. Y'all, I thank y'all for watching. With that being said, y'all have a blessed one.